Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, special events, around entertainment, and even some sports. Sit down with us today as we take a further dive and virtual taste into the new Universal Epic Universe's food and drink menu, as we rank them from bottom to top across each category. With less than 100 days to the new park opening, we better get moving. Let's go! With the release of the featured Epic Universe menu across the 5 worlds comes 25 food and drink offerings. Today we break them up across the rest, aka those that didn't make the cut, up to the best in each food and drink category, ranked bottom to top. As you see in the rest rated foods, all are quality offerings across the cuisine spectrum, and maybe taste tests will provide otherwise in May. But stay with us and you will see the difference in the best! Coming in at number 10 is a snickerdoodle cake dessert filled with buttercream ganache and Biscoff sand, served in a beach bell. With number 9, guests receive a meat platter and mango bread paired with sides like braised greens, mac and cheese, and more. At number 8, you have the option to choose your protein on a steak, coming with grilled veggies and charred mashed potatoes. The Alchemist platter at number 7 features smoked meats, beets, pickled eggs, and a soft, warm pretzel and dip. The catch of the day at number 6 is a Viking dessert featuring a chocolate mousse fish nestled atop a bed of colorful, crispy rice syrup. Number 5 is a dynamic flash-fried marinated chicken breast tossed in a tantalizing blood orange sauce, served in a sinister black bun with tangy pickles, slaw and fries. Who can go wrong with Mario's mushroom burger at number 4, complete with a souvenir hat and a bun and printed mustache? You heard that right! Making our top 3 is a mouth-watering barbecue grilled chicken and chive sandwich on a toasted brioche bun. Coming in at a very close top 2, and for the first time ever, guests can enjoy the flavors of butterbeer in a crepe that includes shortbread cookie butter, Bavarian cream, butterbeer cream, strawberries, butterbeer drizzle, and a butterbeer shortbread cookie. Pair this with a butterbeer drink, and I'm loaded with butterbeer awesomeness. And coming in at number 1, best of the best food, drum roll please! Hitting the marks from a presentation and savory perspective is the Bowser's Fireball Challenging, showcasing a towering 1-pound meatball topped with gooey mozzarella cheese and rich mushroom marinara sauce, and served with a Bowser-inspired puff pastry and a side of hot sauce. Let's go, I want that now! As we round out the new menu rankings, we bring you the top 5 drink selections. Bottoms up! Well, that's a wrap on this 5 worlds food and drinks tour being offered at the Universal's Epic Universe. We can't wait to sink our teeth into some of these offerings to see if the tastes line up to the preview here. Subscribe and stay with us as we bring you the latest and greatest. Let's go!